This is a video on how to install an aerial yoga hammock step by step. First, gather your tools. Here we have a 5-inch heavy-duty eye hook with a load capacity of 700 pounds. We also have a drill, and we're going to need 2 drill bits. First is a drill bit for the pilot hole. You'll need your drill, gloves, and a flashlight. You're also going to need some wood glue later. Go ahead up into the attic and use the long drill bit to drill a pilot hole down through the top of the beam, down through the ceiling drywall. From underneath, use the larger drill bit to drill up into the ceiling where the pilot hole was so that the eye hook will fit into the hole. Go ahead and start screwing the eye hook in using a screwdriver or some other long object for extra torque. Once it is flush up to the ceiling, go ahead and admire your work, and then go up into the attic and make sure that the screw is not coming out of the side of the beam. Make sure it's completely contained within. They should be 18 to 24 inches apart for the aerial yoga hammock. Next, you will need some wood glue to go ahead back up into the attic to seal the holes up where you drilled the pilot hole. So just drop the wood glue into the hole, let it dry, and this will keep the wood from expanding and contracting with the heat and moisture that can be up in the attic space. Then you can go downstairs, hang up your hammock, and start to play. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.